knows good me with thing, and then I comment, and then you screenshot it and you put it out there. I've been with you in your worst. In your worst, I've been with you. You were abandoned. I took care of you. I took care of your kids. I took care of your family. You're slim, and now you're gonna fucking say this about my wife. Say it about me, nigga. About me. Talk shit about me, not about my wife. Yeah. I so fuck her, bro. Let her have a great time. It's okay.
That's why I was worried to go to you.
Nah. You're a good man. You're a good man, brother.
Yeah. Get the cousin in your face. So this is the kind of person that we deal with.
Yeah. No, we took care of her, man. We took care of her. We took care of her. Phones. She's never used to buy data or airtime. We've got a new phone. We've got a clothes. We've got a hair. We've got a bags. We've got a shoes. We changed her whole world. Which everything, bro. Everything. If I naturally put Trace Pela in. So she thinks she's bigger than Trace, then fuck her. By all means, right? The new number 2 is gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Let's go.
Nah, let's go. All right, man. I gotta go. Okay, shut. Sure. 8 time.